Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to compress PDF file online. So what are you gonna do? At first search for a small PDF, and here we can see a small PDF. Just click on that and scroll down, and here you can see compress PDF. So click on that, and you have to choose your PDF file. Click on that, and here you can see let me just choose any kind of file. Alright, so this is the file I'm just selecting, and you have to do, you can see that it's a basic compression, which is medium file size, high quality, and you can see the strong compression, which will be 75% less. But you can see that we have, this file is only just 838 kilobytes, so it's not much higher file size. So simply I am going to select this, and if you want to select this, you have to upgrade to pro version of a small PDF. So let's just after selecting it, click on compress, and here you can see it's being compressed, and you can see that its compression size is 611 kilobytes when it was 1.36 megabytes earlier. So I'm going to simply download it and open it. Now here you can see this is the PDF file. Okay, it's compressed. So that's how you can compress your PDF file online. Alright, so that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below.